Hey, who you talking to?
I'm filming.
Oh, my bad. Say hey to the people for me.
Hey y'all. Hi. Hello. Ohana Kennedy from Trinidad. She's really bad. She's never sad. Always glad. Yep. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, but if not, then welcome. If not, then welcome. Today I will be taking out these twists, you know, showing out my natural hair routine. But first, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do whatever you want to do. If you share me, I will love you. I pre-pooed overnight with olive oil, and now I'm about to take out these twists because I haven't seen my hair in a while and I miss it. But all right, let's get started. So this is the first section out of so many sections. I can tell you that it's pretty dry, but it's like happening. Her. I'm not gonna jump to conclusions though. I'm not gonna get too excited because I'm not sure. And if I keep pulling my hair like this, it's gonna fall out. Okay, so I know I said I was gonna be back, but listen, I ended up taking a nap.
Garbage.
You know, your girl's tired, okay? College is rough. It's rough out here.
Girl, please.
And it is now like 4 something. And I took it all out. You know, achiever over here. My arms got tired, but you know, I'm a soldier, you know what I'm saying? Warrior. Arm guns popping. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. I look a mess. Wander over yonder, wander over yonder, wander over yonder. Easy. I think I'm going to go to the cafe. I might just wear it like this. Keep it pushing. You know what I'm saying? Just keep it pushing.
Now.
And then I'm gonna be back. Back. I'm afraid to fall in love. She said, what if I dive deep? Would you come in after me?
Shut up! Shut up!
And we about to get busy. Alright, back to square one. This could be a bomb afro. That would be like the laziest route for me to take. That actually sounds like a good route for me to take, just to be lazy and I ain't gotta do my hair. No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm going to do my hair. I'm gonna do it. This is about to be a mess. I'm gonna get in the shower and I'm gonna shampoo and condition. I don't know if I'm gonna deep condition in the shower because that's a lot. That's a whole lot. Natural hair gurus be doing it because they be, I'm gonna go ahead and deep condition my whole head. But then they pre-detangle before they get in the shower. But then they end up shampooing. They don't even shampoo and twist. They just shampoo with their head like. Spirit. If I had for a new pair of tennis shoes. Where are my clippers? So I guess I'm gonna section it into 4. Yeah, that sounds smart. would actually be a decent, no, I'm lying. Like, this would be like day 5. Twist out. Type. Hair. Going on. Snoopy. What is that? I'm going to be clarifying my hair. Yes. And I finally feel included. Like, you know, everybody else does. Yes, I got one. I got one. Wait, look at me. Look at me. Can y'all hear it? Yes, your girl got one. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this in the shower. But I'm gonna be clarifying with Head and Shoulders shampoo and go from there. I'm back and better.
Boy, if you...
I'll be deep conditioning my hair right now with this stuff right here. You see it? Can you see it? I finger detangled in the shower, okay? Just clap for your girl, because I finger detangled in the shower, and I never do that, okay? So just a round of applause.
You're not that cute. And your hair is uneven. You look dusty.
Okay, I think I'm gonna start in the back section, and ooh, oh wow. Work my way around, and then I'm gonna put my plastic caps on, but okay, how y'all doing? Okay.
Hey, who you talking to?
I'm filming.
Oh, my bad. Say hey to the people for me.
Stupid. But I hate my hair though, so that's one thing. I always get those stupid single knot strands. Just be a lot. So this is how it's looking with the deep conditioner in. I really like this conditioner. I mean, for me,
No, let me tell you something.
it defines my curls very well, and it seeps into my hair very well. Not most of the time, but sometimes you get that deep conditioner that just like sits on your head instead of soaking into your head. They soak in, okay? So I highly recommend it for type 4 people. I don't know what porosity I am. I really don't. I tried to guess it. I didn't even try the little test thing, but all I know is it works. Yeah. see what I got, what I got, what I got, what I got. So this is what I got. I'm gonna do a 360 for y'all. I was trying to come up with something to rhyme with it, but I couldn't find anything. But anyways. Hey, I'm really tired. I'm sleepy. It's 12:14 in the morning. I feel like crying. I already rinsed out the deep conditioner. Now I have rice water in my hair, and I still have another 15 minutes for me to rinse this out. I'm debating on just going in the shower, putting all those products in the shower, and doing everything else in the shower. And if I could film in the shower, I would. I really would. But I can't do that. If I come back and it's the next day and my hair is already twisted up, don't say I didn't warn you. Hi. Yes, a whole day went by and here we are. Okay, that actually doesn't look half bad.
What is that? What is that? What is that?
I'm going to fix this and then I'm going to come back. Why men wait till they gotta be gray? Don't. This still doesn't look good to me. Okay, so this is the finishing look. I kind of did, like, took the two pieces in the front and I took them in to make it look a little bit better. I don't know what I was going for, but it's something. Yeah, this is it for me. If you enjoyed watching me struggle with this, there are more to come, okay? And there are already some on my channel, so just, you know, if you go ahead and subscribe, right? Subscribe, and then watch more, because it's like, why not? Just why not, you know? You're always welcome. You're always welcome.